Hello everybody, this is the Go-To Family.
And today we're on the island of Rhodes in Greece.
Now this video is going to be about the top things to do in the old city of Rhodes. Now Rhodes is an island, but it's also a town, and there's a new town and there's the old town.
And we're going to be showing you the old town of Rhodes.
And we're going to start with the number one thing to see when you're in the old town of Rhodes right now, because we're right in it, and this is the Palace of the Grand Master.
Exactly. So let's get started.
Rhodes Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the best preserved medieval cities in Europe. The town is surrounded by medieval walls that date back to the 14th century. Inside the walls, visitors can wander through narrow streets, explore beautiful courtyards, and admire stunning architecture. The Palace of the Grand Master of the Knights of Rhodes is located in the northern part of the Old Town. It was originally built in the 14th century as a fortress, but it was later reconstructed in the early 16th century by the Knights of St. John. The palace served as a residence of the Grand Master of the Knights of Rhodes, who were a military order of knights. Today, the palace houses a museum that exhibits various artifacts from the medieval period, including sculptures, mosaics, and other works of art. Visitors can explore the impressive halls and chambers, including the council chamber, the grand ballroom, and the chapel of St. George.
One of the things that you must not miss when you're in Rodos is the Street of the Knights. Now we're starting in front of the Palace of the Grand Master. We're going to make our way down. This is a 600-meter medieval street. It's one of the best kept medieval streets in the whole of Europe. So really beautiful attraction to come and check out here in Rodos.
Constructed in the 14th century, the street was the main thoroughfare of the medieval city. It's lined with buildings that served as lodgings for the knights and their retinues.
Wow, guys, just look how beautiful this is. It is crazy. It's crazy just how medieval it is. It feels like you're just back in time. I don't know that I've ever seen anything quite like it, guys. Unbelievable. And here is the Spanish Knights Inn. I wonder if you could stay there today. Check it out. Spanish Knights Inn. It's a door. They have a buzzer. So I wonder, you can stay where the Spanish Knights stayed 500-600 years ago.
The buildings along the street were designed in the Gothic style, and many of them feature ornate facades with intricate stone carvings and decorations. The buildings also bear the coats of arms of the different knights who resided in them.
So we saw the Spanish Inn, or the Spanish Auberge, just a little higher up, and right here is the French Auberge. And you can see the French flag flying right at the top. So French people, French knights, when they came here in Rhodes, this is where they used to stay. There's also an Italian one somewhere here as well.
Close by is the Archaeological Museum of Rhodes. One of the museum's most significant exhibits is the Aphrodite of Rhodes, a famous statue dating back to the 1st century BC. Hippocrates Square is the most popular square in all of Rhodes Town. The square is surrounded by historical buildings, including the Mosque of Suleiman, the National Theatre of Rhodes, and the Governor's Palace. It's the perfect place to sit down and just have a cup of coffee or a light snack. Beyond here, you can walk uphill browsing the Old Town's array of shops. You can find tourist souvenirs, handmade jewelry, gold shops, and clothing stores. Next up is the Roloi Clock, which sits in the northwest corner of the medieval city. The clock tower was originally built in the late 7th century during the Byzantine era and was later rebuilt by the Knights of St. John in the 15th century. The tower served as a lookout point and was an important landmark for sailors and traders arriving in Rhodes.
So we are going to the top of the Roloi Tower. There's a lot of stairs, oh my God. There are a lot of stairs. Now this is supposed to be the highest point in town, so perfect spot to observe. But I gotta say, it's a little challenging to get up here. The stairs are very small and old, but check out this view, guys.
You'll get these beautiful panoramic views of the town, the port, the Mosque of Suleiman, as well as the palace.
To come up here, you have to get a drink. There's a bar down below here. It costs about €5 for the drink. And then you can have your drink, relax here, take in the sights, and then you can come to the Roloi Clock Tower.
While near the clock tower, be sure to stop by this beautiful ceramic shop or refresh your feet at this cute little fish bar. Our kids thought it was a blast. Also next to the Roloi Clock is some of the cutest little streets you will find in Rhodes Town. More than anything though, get lost in the back streets where you can take some really beautiful pictures. Finally, to end your day, make a stop at Roloi, a great traditional Greek restaurant serving up some of the best food we had in all of Rhodes Town.
right, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video of Rhodes, of the top things to see in the old town of Rhodes. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos from the Go-To family from right here
In Rhodes, be sure to hit the notification button to get notified whenever we post a new video from here or around the world.
All right, that's gonna do it. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.